This is what an oil rig in California looks like above the surface of the ocean, and this is what it looks like below. These platforms, built 40 years ago to extract oil, now support thousands of species, fish, invertebrates, even sea lions, that depend on the habitat they provide. This particular rig is named Eureka, and it lies about 12 miles off the coast of Long Beach. But there are 27 rigs in total off California, stretching north past Santa Barbara. Some of them are in federal waters. Some of them are in state waters. Ugly and industrial from above, many are home to some of the most dense and varied sea life on the planet. Numerous studies have been done quantifying and categorizing the life on these rigs. Research from the University of California, Santa Barbara has shown that platforms like Eureka support some of the highest fish production rates ever recorded, along with thriving colonies of pink anemones, sponges, mussels, scallops, and other invertebrates that form the foundation of a vibrant reef ecosystem. What's more, studies have shown that the rigs also feed the nearby coastal ecosystem, enriching the sea life near shore. Some of the rigs here are reaching the end of their so-called productive lives, meaning they're no longer producing oil, and by state law, they're supposed to be removed. Operators are required to plug the wells, dismantle the structures, and clear the seafloor, a process known as decommissioning. Removing the rigs would obliterate the habitat that has flourished here for decades, but leaving them behind carries its own questions of liability, safety, responsibility. It's complicated. But it's a massive and costly undertaking that now sits at the center of debate over what should happen next. Some environmental groups say they should be removed entirely. But there's another option. A plan known as rigs to reefs would allow the top portion of a platform, typically down to about 60 or 80 feet below the surface, to be removed, while the remaining structure stays in place as a permanent home for marine life. These structures have become living reefs, and Californians must now decide whether to erase them entirely or to find a responsible way to let them continue to survive. So it's an interesting question that's going to face Californians. Do you pull these things out, or do you let them stay, or do you cut a section off the top and leave a substructure so the animals can survive? Interesting question for all Californians.